Good morning, students. Today we will learn to draw the diagram of carpel, which is the female part of the plant of the flower, and the stamen, which is the male part of the flower. So let us first start with the carpel. Carpel is having the upper expanded portion, which is called the stigma. Then there is a tubular part. This is the style, and then we have is the swollen region, which is called the ovary, like this, right? So let us label it. So this upper part is the stigma. This is style. And this is ovary. Inside the ovary we have is the female gametes, female reproductive cells, which are called the ovules. So these are the ovules, female reproductive cells, ovules, which are present inside the ovary. Ovules. Children, this stigma, it is the expanded upper region. The pollen grains during pollination, they will fall over the stigma. Stigma is little sticky. All the pollen grains, they stick to the stigma. Then the pollen grains, through this style, they enter into the ovary region. Pollen grains are the male gametes, and inside the ovary we have is these ovules, which are the female gametes. Male and female gametes, they cause fertilization, and as a result seed is formed. All this we will be learning in the next chapter, fertilization. Now let us draw the male part of the flower, that is the stamen. Stamen is having the upper part, which is little expanded and is bilobed. It is having two lobes like this. And then we have is the lower region, which is a stalk of this stamen. So this upper part is called the anther, and this stalk is called the filament. Inside this anther we have is yellow powdery substance, which is called the pollen grain. Pollen grains are formed inside the anther. So these are the pollen grains. Pollen grains are the male gametes. Male gametes are the male reproductive cells. During pollination, the pollen grains which are formed inside the anther, they are, with the help of some agent, with the help of some wind, insect or some agent, these pollen grains are transferred to the stigma of the carpel. Male gametes, they have to fuse with the female gametes. So male gametes are transferred to the stigma of the flower. From the stigma, these pollen grains, they enter into the style and then further inside the ovary, where they fertilize the ovules. So fertilization, after the fertilization process, seed is formed. Flower, as you know, is the reproductive part of the plant. It leads to the reproduction of the plant, and reproduction is occurring as a result of fertilization of the ovules with the pollen grains. And after the fertilization process, seed is formed, and with the help of the seed we can grow new plants. Reproduction can occur. This is all about the male and female part of the flower. Thank you, children.